Friends, how are you? I hope all you are fine. I am Gunjan, your EVS teacher from the Wisdom School, Sirsa. Students, in our previous lecture, we learned about circulatory system and respiratory system. Now, we are going to discuss about digestive system. Okay? So, students, first of all, what is digestion? What is digestion? Students, the food we eat broke down into small pieces, okay, into simpler form, okay. Then this food is absorbed by our blood, okay. This process is known as डाइजेशन. जो भी फूड हम गेट करते हैं, लेते हैं अपने माउथ के थ्रू, उसे स्मॉल पीसेस में ब्रेक किया जाता है, ओके. फिर वह फूड हमारा ब्लड क्या करता है, उसे एब्जॉर्ब करता है एंड सेंड टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी, ओके. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज डाइजेशन, ओके. सो व्हाट इज डाइजेशन? द फूड वी गेट broke down into small pieces, okay, then absorbed by our blood. This process is known as digestion, okay. Now what is the how it works, okay, how our digestive system work? First of all, food is broken down into small pieces with the help of our teeth. With the help of teeth. Food broken down with the help of teeth. Okay. Now, this food is mixed with saliva from the salivary glands. From the salivary glands. This food is mixed with saliva. Okay? लार के साथ ये फूड मिक्स होता है. ओके. सलाइवरी ग्लैंड्स के थ्रू जो सलाइवा है उसके साथ ये जो ब्रोकन डाउन जो फ्रूट ब्रेक हुआ है वो क्या होता है, इसके साथ मिक्सअप. ओके. देन गोज through the food pipe. Then goes through the food pipe. Okay. Or you can say esophagus. Okay. Another name of food pipe is esophagus. Food pipe or esophagus. Okay, students. Now this food goes down to our stomach, okay, where it is also broken down, carbohydrates broken down. Then it goes to our intestine. There are two type of intestine. First is small, second is large, okay. First of all, food goes down through the food pipe and goes to our stomach and intestine, okay. Small intestine where food is digested. In the small intestine, food is also mixed with juices created by pancreas and liver, okay. Food in small intestine is also mixed with the juices released from the pancreas and liver, okay. Now food is digested in small intestine, okay, and the food which is not digested goes to the large intestine. Large intestine. okay, and remove through our body with the help of anus. Okay, it is a small hole, okay, through which removal of undigested food is occur. Okay, so this is the complete process of digestive system. Okay, first of all, food is broken down into small pieces with the help of teeth, and it mixes in our mouth with saliva. Okay, from the salivary glands. Okay, now it goes through the food pipe into our stomach, where it is also broken down, carbohydrates broken down. Okay, then it goes to the small intestine, where it is also mixed with the juices created by pancreas and liver. Okay, and then undigested food, which is not digested. Undigested food goes down to large intestine and removed through the anus. Okay, so this is the complete process of digestive system. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we are going to start our next topic, nervous system. Next topic is nervous system. Nervous system. Okay, students, our nervous system consists of three parts. Okay, first of all, brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay, our nervous system consists of three main parts. Okay, of three parts: brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay, our brain lies in head. Okay, and it attached to the spinal cord and different parts of the body through the nerves. It attached to the different parts of the body through the nerves. Okay, we get the information through the nerves from different parts of the body. Okay, suppose if you have a cup of ice cream, okay, you touch it, okay, you get the information. Your nerves through the hand get the information, and this information goes into your brain. Okay, your brain get the information, then again sends the information to the back to your arm. Okay, then suddenly you remove your hand, okay, from any hot or cold thing. Okay, suppose आपका हाथ किसी गर्म ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर रखा है आपने. Okay, then this information goes through your nerves into your brain. Okay, and what action you have to take, your brain tells to the nerves, give the information to the nerves, and again through your again information come in your hand, and you suddenly remove your hand. Okay, so this is the function of our brain. Okay, nerve system, our nerves, this is the function of our nerves. Okay, so this is known as nerves system. Okay, our brain is the control center of our body. Okay, we think through it. Okay, we learn anything with the help of brain. Okay, so this is our nerves system. Okay, so students, what we have done today, first of all, digestive system, and second is nervous system. Now we are going to discuss about third, excretory system. It means removal of any waste substances through our body. Okay, our skin, okay, our skin also remove the excess water, okay, salt, okay, through the sweat, in the form of sweat. ओके, जब पसीना आता है स्वेट के थ्रू हमारी जो स्किन है वो एक्सेस वाटर को क्या करती है, रिमूव करती है. ओके, सो इन एक्सक्रिएटरी सिस्टम आवर स्किन रिमूव द एक्सेस वाटर in the form of sweat. Okay, and also large intestine, okay, where undigested food is removed through the our body part which is known as anus. Okay, इस पार्ट के थ्रू जो सॉलिड सब्सटेंस है राजे, ओके, लिक्विड तो स्किन के थ्रू रिमूव हो गया. ओके, जो सॉलिड सब्सटेंस है जो अनडाइजेस्टेड है, ओके, वो किसके थ्रू रिमूव किया जाता है, हमारी बॉडी के एनस के थ्रू. ओके, सो दिस इज अ होल थ्रू विच यू रिमूव योर वेस्ट सब्सटेंस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, second nervous system, and third is excretory system. Okay, I hope you got it, students. 3, okay, all of these 3 systems. Thank you, students.